Hi there everyone, this is the GSX650F 2008 year. We are going to check the stock exhaust sound, then we're gonna switch to the Scorpion with power exhaust. Let's just check the sound first. It's the cold start. Now the funny part, the stock exhaust is off. Well, let's just check the sound like this for fun. It's a bit better. Or maybe I leave this like this. Way better. It's the new Scorpion with the DB killer inside still. It's gonna go out for sure. Just check it. It's definitely cool, but we're not in the end yet. Let's get the DB killer off. Alright, here we go. 15 minutes of work, it's done. It's the final stage. Here's the DB killer. Let's get it off. You don't need this unless you go to Germany. The exhaust looks nice, and I got to say I'm very satisfied with the sound. Even with the buffer inside, the sound is very deep, calm. I like it like this very much. With the DB killer outside, it's even better. Quite impressed. Scorpion, red power exhaust. Last sound check. This is it. Thanks for watching. Ride safe. Wheels down. Bye.